So in today's short video, we're going to look how we can use the Bing AI Microsoft Edge add-in to create student assignments, how to create a marking rubric from those student assignments, and then mark using that rubric. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is go to the top right-hand corner and begin creating a prompt. Okay, so the best way to do that is through the prep model. So the prompt will be have a role, it will be explicit, and it'll have parameters. So you are a high school teacher teaching junior students. Create an assignment about the role of deepfakes in the future. Okay, so there we go. And it'll start hopefully generating the assignment in due course. Okay, then there it is there. Okay, so there it's made the assignment. Create a marking rubric for the assignment. Okay, so then it will hopefully create a marking rubric, and there it is there, okay, out of 100. And then finally, mark the following assignment using the rubric above and provide feedback. Okay, so I'm just going to copy in the text, okay, and paste, and then press enter. And let's see how it goes with marking the rubric. And there it is there. Okay, so overall 80 out of 100, and it gives the appropriate feedback as well. So that's how you use the Bing AI Microsoft add-in to create assignments, create marking rubrics, and also then provide feedback for your students on their assignments.